In this video, I will show you how to reset your TCL Smart TV remote and fix any issue with the remote not working completely, or the power button on the remote control not working, or the remote control just malfunctioning such that if you press one button, it performs the tasks of another button. Trust me, if you're having any of this problem with your TCL Smart TV remote, then resetting it will most likely fix the issue for you. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. Now, trust me, this is different from turning off the TV. Just go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket. And once your TV is unplugged from the wall socket, you want to come back to your TCL Smart TV remote, go over to the backpack just like so, and then go ahead and pull out this backpack, and then go ahead and remove the batteries of your TCL remote control. So remove both batteries just like so. And then one thing you want to do now is to go ahead and long press on the power button over here for about 5 seconds. So just press and hold for 5 seconds. Now what this will do is that it will automatically drain the remote control of any power surge that is causing it to not work for you. So go ahead and hold for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you want to go ahead and put back the batteries of your TCL remote control. But before you put them back, you want to use this opportunity to also look at the batteries and be sure that they are not bad and they are the one actually causing you this problem. So go ahead and make sure that your batteries are actually good enough. You can even try to replace them with new ones if you can, and then just go ahead and put back the new batteries, or your batteries if they are good enough, just like so. Now go ahead and close back the battery pack just like so. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and plug back your TCL Smart TV to the power source. Now just plug it to the power source, and then you want to come back to your TCL remote control, and now you want to go ahead and try controlling your TCL Smart TV with the remote control. If the remote control does still not work, another thing you can actually try is to go ahead and just randomly press on the buttons of your TCL remote control just like so. Now what this would do is that if there is actually fluid or just some grains of solid substance inside of the remote control, by just randomly pressing them hard like this will help you fix the remote control and make it to start working again. So just go ahead and randomly press like this for about a minute, and once you're done, you want to go ahead and try controlling the TCL Smart TV with your remote control again. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.